Good afternoon, this is Schweitzer. We're going to give a second introduction to this particular page. Shouldn't be a whole lot different than we have had in the past, and you should be looking more to check all your answers. But here's a couple, at least one example you can check to see if you're doing it right. Alright, so this is all redox reactions. Alright, so zinc is placed in the solution of metal to nickel metal to nitrate. So zinc metal has no charge plus nickel, alright, and parentheses nitrate 2. That's a +2 charge and a -1. Because this is a metal, it will exchange with a metal, and it will produce zinc nitrate. Of course, we should be getting a little more familiar with the fact that nitrate is a +2 charge and a -1. That's why that 2 is there. And nickel is going to have its just be no charge. Alright. Ionic equation. I'm going to skip the ionic equation for this one. Well, I guess I'll do it here. Okay, so we got zinc metal plus nickel plus 2 plus NO3 minus goes to zinc 2 plus, and then plus NO3 minus plus nickel metal. Anything that's a metal, like no charge here, will be a solid. Has no charge, so has no way of attracting to the solvent. Alright, net ionic, removing these guys here. Spectators removed, nitrate's a spectator. So it's zinc metal plus nickel 2 plus goes to zinc 2 plus plus nickel metal. It says determine the voltages of the reaction. Okay, so you might be getting better at this, little practice. But let's do half reactions over here. I got zinc metal goes to zinc 2 plus. That's going to be 2 electrons on this side. This is being oxidized. Electrons on the product side means oxidation. And the nickel 2 plus will be gaining 2 electrons, and therefore will produce nickel solid. You need to find your voltages for each of these. Remember that this is reduction, so it will be on the reduction potential as is. This one will need to get flipped. So let's grab our nickel, which will be as is. Alright, nickel located right here. Nickel is a -0.25. So this guy here is a -0.25 volts. The zinc will have to get flipped. Okay, so where's the zinc? Zinc's right in front of us here. Alright, so it's going to get flipped to a +0.76. +0.76 volts. Add those two together, and we're going to get a positive voltage, and that is what? 0.51 volts. Positive. So it is going to proceed two products all by itself, therefore spontaneous. Alright, and that's all we're going to do. One example, that's how you do it. Thank you very much.